Welcome to Zengineering Concepts. In this video, we are going to learn the initial settings you need to know before drawing in AutoCAD. We are going to learn how to set unit of a drawing, how to set the limit of a drawing. Guys, let's begin. Type unit, press enter. So we only change the precision, towards 0.0, but the rest of the type, the angle types, the length types, we'll leave it as it is. And then we come towards the unit scale. We need to scale. So if you are dealing with millimeters, you select millimeters. If you are dealing with centimeters, you select centimeters. So I will be dealing with what? Millimeters. So I select millimeters and press OK. So as we are done with unit settings, we'll move on to what? Limit. So type limit on the command line, limit, enter on your keyboard. We'll pick rectangle and the drawing menu. You pick your rectangle. The first limit is what? 0,0. So press 0,0, enter on the keyboard, and then we can, for the dimension, enter like 1000, 1000, 1000, enter. 1000, enter. Zoom on your command line. Type zoom on your command line, enter. Zoom or zoom center, dynamic, extend, previous case. So zoom or A, and then press enter. So this is your initial settings in AutoCAD drawing. Thank you very much. Keep on watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and all my social media for more videos. Thank you.